Hi everybody. Well, here we are, second week of January, and you got a foot of snow out here in the blueberry farm. But you know what? Who knows what the weather's going to be? So I'm going to do something interesting. I'm going to go out and I'm going to video what it looks like out here on the blueberry farm in the snow. So if you want to join me, come on with me. I got my hiking stick with me here for extra traction and help, and I'm gonna head out. The first thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna go into the greenhouse and just show you what's going on. So did I say there was over a foot of snow out here? I don't know, I just did. Okay. Not much going on in the greenhouse. I'm ready to transplant the cold weather crops here, the cabbage family. So you got broccoli, red green cabbage, you know, and Brussels sprouts, spinach, everything's in here. And the temperature in here is almost 60. Outside it's in the 20s. Nice, isn't it? No heat. It's all solar. Okay, here I go. Oh, yeah, that's not gonna be easy. All right, this is gonna be a hard walk. I may turn around. I don't know. Let's see. We're now entering into the botanical garden area here. Looking around. You never know what you're going to see out here in the winter time. Okay, there's some type of track here that went through during a snowstorm. It's possibly living underneath the pine tree here. Could be a rabbit, it could be a squirrel. You know, I'm just going to leave it. I don't want to disturb its home. The coneflowers are still getting eaten by the birds. Look at the seeds. Look at that. That's a food source for the birds. It's really neat. I hope the video camera's steady enough. I got it mounted on my forehead today. I hear birds chirping. You know, I forgot to bring my sunglasses. If the sun comes out, I'm going to get sunblind, so I got to watch out for that. Here's the blueberry field. The snow we had here up here in northern New Jersey was a very heavy, very wet snow. Not the type you want at all. I don't really want any snow at all anyway. Let's see how we're doing here. Look at this snow prints here. So it's the beginning of January 2024, and winter basically just started here in this area. So see what kind of amount of snowfall we're going to get this winter. This is the first big snowstorm we got so far. I don't think I'm even going to try to open these gates today, but take a look at the animal prints out there. That's deer prints in the snow, and they go right past the fenced-in area now. If I didn't have to skate up this fence, they'd be all through here eating up everything. So it works. It's good. Ah, the snow. Now I'll just show you, pine trees are a natural shelter for animals, and they know it. And you can see the less snow under the pine trees here. That's why small animals and all take shelter under pine trees. I wonder if I should get the snow off that shed. Any more snow on it, I better. It's okay so far. I'll just go over and have a look at it in a minute. You know, you gotta remove snow off the roofs of your house and buildings because the weight can crush it. Looks okay so far. I don't see anything coming down. Alright. See what the weather does tomorrow. I might have to shovel that off. You ever walk in the snow and try to walk back in your footprints? It's so hard to do that. You think it'd be easier walking through snow that way. It's not. Here's the pine tree grove. Alright, so there's animals living in the wood, the pile here. They take shelter in the brush. That's another good reason why you should put brush piles on your farm for small animals and take shelter and live in during the winter. All this brush you see here is from when I cleared off the whole all the land here. So something is living in here. Let's see where it goes. Look at that. Let's see. So it goes right in here. So there's a hole. Oh, look, there's a home right there. I wonder what it is. It could be a fox. Look at that, huh? Isn't that neat? I hope everybody's seeing this in the camera. There's a home right there in the brush pile. Somebody's living in there. Well, I won't disturb you. I bet you it's a fox. That don't look like no rabbit prints. And look at this. It knows how to get through the hole in the fence. It was out during the snowstorm. It didn't come out again since then. Look at that. So it comes through the hole there, a little hole. Let's see. Yeah, oh yeah, that's a fox. That's fox prints there. Look at that. Isn't that neat? I like foxes around here. Keeps the rodents away. That is neat. I like that. Let's see what else we can find here in the snow. Huh. Oh, we got a fox living in the brush pile. Pretty sure that's what it is. All right. Go over here. So something is over out here today. Let's see. Something is living in there too. Look at this. Let's see what that is. Oh, look at this. There's another home right here in the brush pile right there. Look at that. Huh. Could be a rabbit. I don't know. Could be a fox. I'm trying to see if I can recognize the prints in the snow. But look at that. It's living in there. This brush pile is full of wildlife. Isn't that amazing? I think that is so neat. I get a thrill out of that kind of stuff. All right. So whatever it is, it came out this morning and it went back in. All right, let's head out this way. Look at the fruit on the pine tree here yet. Isn't that nice? Okay, there's a hole over here I've been checking out. And it's a groundhog hole, but I wonder if a fox is living in it. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, look at this. Look at the activity here. What do you think that is? See, groundhogs would not come out this time of the year. That's a fox. I bet you that's a fox in that hole there. And it's been in and out here a lot. You look at the little paw prints here. I got a fox that lives here. That's a fox den. Look at that. I believe that is fox. Let's follow up here. And it's very active. Very active paw prints all through here. Look at that. That could be a rabbit there. But there's all little paw prints all through here. That's what's neat about coming out in the snow like this. You can see what what's going on around your farm, or out in the forest, or out in the field. I think that's a fox home. Look at all the paw prints, all the prints all through here. Yeah, that's not Groundhog Hole now. That's okay. Now I know. Okay, there's another one I want to check out over here. Let's see. No, this one's not active anymore. There was a hole right here. That's Groundhog Hole. But that one there, that's active. That one's got a lot of life to it. And it's been out recently. Look at the paw prints. I gotta set a trail cam up here to get that on video. Look at that. I could put a trail camera right there and it would shoot right to the hole there. Alright, I'm gonna do that. Look at this. It's been digging in here. That's fox. Too small for a coyote. They're around too. Let's see what else we can find out here. Huh. Well, there's nothing here. Lots of snow. Nothing in there. You can find this stuff usually under pine trees and stuff like that where animals take shelter during the winter. It looks like it was dug up a little bit under this pine tree too. Oh wow. Let's go look over here in the orchard. No life here. Nothing's been out here. I don't see nothing. Alright. Nothing going on in the orchard. That's something. There's a lot of life back there under those pine trees. Wow, this stick is real. This hiking stick really is handy walking out in this stuff today. Okay, so there's a print coming out of here. But it's an old print during the snowstorm it came out. But it heads back to that hole there. Went all the way down there. That's where we started. I did see that print. So it came out that way. Oh, wow. Neat. There it is. That was during the snowstorm yesterday. And it came out. Alright, well I think that's all I'm going to do today out here. Let's just need to see. Let's just one more thing. Let's just take a look at the pine trees over here where that animal went through. Let's go see. It seems to know its way around here. That's for sure. Yeah. So one over here. One under this pine tree here. That's rabbit. And then hung out under here somehow, some reason. There's prints here. One under this pine. So it's looking for food. That's what it's doing. Huh. All deer prints on the other side of the fence. Oh look, it came out on this side. So just to show you, I have I like the small animals that come in my farm, especially fox and stuff like that, and they keep rodents away. And I just want to show you, I had this type of fence where the small animals can walk through here, so it knows its way around. So bobcats can come through here, and fox, even coyotes may be able to fit through there. But yep, that's neat. Could be a bobcat lives back there too. I wonder. That would be really neat. All right, so that's a walk around tour of the farm here during the winter. I have a bird feeder here heated for the birds, so they have some place to drink water. All right, so that's it. That's my tour out here. Okay, all right, that was neat. So thanks for stopping by here with me today, and stop by again, and really help me, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button, like and share. Have any comments, let me know, and stop by again, everybody. All right, bye for now.